Every car has its own theme. I'm really taking my time with it. I'm trying to perfect the car.
It's been a long off season. I swear, nothing beats the sound of a motor car. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a very long time. Life's been lifing lately. Some of you guys may or may not know, I have a 2-year-old back at home, and I've just been spending all my time, if not most of my time, with hanging out with my son. Those of you guys that have kids could possibly relate. I'd rather be kicking it with my son, I guess, than editing a YouTube video right now. I've just been basically enjoying life with my brother and the crew here at New England. Bear with us, the videos will come back. Just trying to get our lives in order and just basically figure out our whole shop situation. But today's video, I want to just give you guys a quick shop update. We're getting ready for Honda Day. I want to give you guys an update on the green car. A lot of you guys have been asking me, what's the status? Have you guys moved forward with it? Kind of just been putting it, not on the back burner, but we've been slowly working away at it little by little between all the other shop projects. Haven't touched any of the race cars. All motor cars still good to go. I got KJ coming down here on Tuesday, gonna disassemble the transmission and basically go through it. Jamie's coming down today. I'm gonna tune the car. I'm gonna get that in this video. But I'm excited to show you guys the green car because it looks so good. My brother and Kevin just been literally working away at it, putting an hour here, hour there, a couple hours here, every now and then, just, you know, chipping away at it. It's a very, very, very special project. So, and something like this takes time. And again, I apologize to you guys. We haven't uploaded in a while, but we're still here. So
yeah, I'm pretty excited to show you guys the car. I don't really remember where we left off at last time, but we're gonna go through the car today together and show you guys what we've done and how the car is sitting right now. I'm still waiting on some small tedious stuff. As you guys can see, I have a list going on here.
I remember, so we left off like, I don't remember if I even got the motor going in the car. Maybe that might have been the last thing, but it's a lot more done than what it was. It's still not even completely finished. You guys see the current state right now. And then I'm gonna give you guys, what's the update on Kevin's car?
Well, Kevin's car should be done within the next few weeks, so.
What'd you end up doing to your car, bro?
I ended up stripping it.
You stripped the whole thing. So if you guys know, Kevin started here with the Integra, and then he had the B series and hanging out with us, swapped to the K series, and now like hanging out with us, obviously doing these type of builds. I'm so happy for him that he got to strip his entire car literally to this level, and then Jesse at ADT's painting his car. We're not gonna reveal the color yet, but it's gonna be sick. The car's been at the body shop, I wanna say, for like a year now. And we're just letting the bodywork settle, that way the paint comes out so good. And then we'll reveal the car in one of these videos and show it to you guys. But let's get into the hatchback.
So first things first, wiring is all complete. I ran the wiring of the
Charge harness?
Charge harness is pretty much done. The wiring for the car is completely done. The car does crank. It won't fire right now because I have a few lines, which they're done right here. I'm gonna go get them crimped later on.
We got PTFE lines here, so we gotta get them crimped.
So I did a -8 for feed, -6 for return, just because the amount of power this car is going to be making.
Roughly, what are you trying to make?
I want to make 450 or 500.
I'm trying to make 550, 600.
Jamie's saying he's gonna make upwards of 6, maybe a little bit more on E. So
if you guys don't know, this car has a Rotrex C38. I think in one of the videos I put a mistake. I put C38R. This car has a Rotrex C38. So just to clear that up.
And it has a fully built 4-piston motor, 12.5 to 1. Transmission has upgraded synchros and stuff like that. Pretty much stock, and has a super single clutch. Other than that, I upgraded the pulley here. We shaved this, I've got a new water pump housing, shaved that off. This is for a K24, new alternator. Everything is literally brand new. Got a new water neck. I know I run these on all our builds, but I really like the way they look.
Yeah, shout out to K-Tune. Appreciate you guys. Drac Cartel, shout out to you. This intake manifold, it looks amazing. So.
I just feel like it ties in with the car, and I've always wanted to do this manifold, so we'll see. I mean, for a Rotrex build, it doesn't need a crazy manifold. I think this should be good enough. We have a 72 mil throttle body, also by K-Tuned. We have the wire harnesses in. I don't know if we showed you that. The shifter cables are in. All the brake lines are done.
Yeah, you ceramic the header too?
Yeah.
I think.
And shout out to Meyer. That's a Myers street header. Anybody knows that is the best header in the game for any NA car. So yeah, this is turbo, but I'm talking about as far as this type style
Myers makes the best headers, straight like that.
You want to make
a motor
power,
car, you put a
you
Myers.
Make power, you put a Myers header, no questions asked. So we have that.
All the brake lines finished?
Yeah, all the brake lines are done.
I have a question for you though. So you've waited. Are you gonna say what brake kit you put it on here?
I'll show you guys the brake kit.
We went through 2 different brake kits. We still haven't made a decision, but I feel like we are there. We waited a year. Literally, the brake kit came in yesterday. It wasn't. If it didn't come in, he was gonna go with the Endless brake kit, and I feel like now Endless is. I'm not saying played out. It's on a lot of cars. So between Endless and Spoon. So literally waited 1 year for this.
This type of build, like every car has its own theme, and I just felt like the Endless stuff wasn't for this car, even though it has a lot of like Spoon, you know, carbon on it, but just doesn't fit this car. But check this out. You guys already know.
AP brakes, baby. What brake kit you going with yours?
Endless.
Endless.
Check this out. Very subtle. Gray with the yellow. I'm gonna throw a little bit of yellow stuff on.
Waited one, I'm not even joking, 1 year.
Yeah, because
They're
they
backed
were
up.
sold out and they were backed up, and we finally got them after a year waiting. So, only thing is I didn't throw them on the car yet because I think they messed up on the hub.
For the rotor.
Yeah, on the rotor. So the hub bore is smaller on the one that we got for some reason. I told them we have a 36 mil, so I had to send them back out to get open
Shout out
up the
to
door.
FroFab. He's gonna open them up for us. You got a CNC machine.
Yep, so we're gonna put those on until they come back. That's pretty much it. Interior is all.
What headlights did you put up here?
These are the EDM glass headlights, and then obviously SIR corners.
We still, if you guys see the JRZs,
Hanging?
they're hanging because we have the brackets. We just are very. The last thing we're gonna do is drill into this car. So we are trying to figure out where we're gonna put them.
Honestly, I'm probably gonna hide them somewhere along the frame rail on the bottom. My heart won't let me drill into this car.
Yo, I don't know if you guys caught this in the last video, but Detail Master PPF the entire car. We took it right after paint. Shout out to Ali Frank. If you guys don't know, he's the one that painted the entire car. Sick, amazing job, bro. I appreciate you if you're watching this video. So shout out to Ali Frank. He killed it on this. So Ahmed PPF the whole thing so it doesn't get scratched up. And shout out to Detail Master for doing that. And we had the bumper on here. It's over there. He put the lip on, but we haven't got to put it on yet because we still have to fab the intercooler.
This car is really just. I'm really taking my time with it because I'm trying to perfect the car. I don't want to throw stuff on and then take it back off.
Like you did with the brake kit on the yellow car.
Yeah, so this car is gonna be all just a one-time deal. I'm gonna slowly take my time with it. Look at this, fender liners are back in. I really hate cars that don't have fender liners, I really do.
Yeah, if you're watching this at home, put your fender liners back on.
Look, it just looks clean, you know?
And we got 5 lug. What are these, spoons or Regas?
These are Regas 16.8. Obviously, the rear quarters have been rolled, as you guys know. We had brand new Vision mirrors put on. Literally in the box, thank you to Jose. Brand new spoon wing. Obviously, you guys know it has a full carbon roof.
I see the cage in the car.
Yeah, so I did have a Cusco cage that I was gonna paint match to the car, but once again, I didn't feel like drilling more holes into this car, so I opted for auto power.
Let me just check this out. Custom door panels like we do normally do in almost every build. Don't worry, the steering wheel isn't on. None of that stuff is like fully like bolted down for good. But shift box is in, carbon plate to cover the hole. What brand cage is this?
This is an auto power cage and it's paint matched to the car.
Turn the light on.
Titanium bolts. I'm still waiting for
That looks so
these
good.
bolts up here.
We got a radium hanger. So we're gonna connect the fuel lines later on.
And then I have to do fuel pump relay for that. Other than that, the interior is pretty much done. I have seats and the seat brackets. I have the steering wheel. I literally have everything.
What seats are going in here?
The Spoon carbon buckets for now.
All right, you got a Miracle X bar in the back. I'm gonna put the car up real quick. Just raise it up that way I can show you guys underneath, show you guys the exhaust, show you guys how he's gonna route the fuel lines because we kind of just got that mocked up today. Let's get into the bottom of the car because this thing looks so
I don't think they've
good.
seen this because the car just came back. Jordan did do the exhaust on this car. We got a
Yeah, J-Rock did a killer job fabbing this up. So the ceramic header and then
V-banded. Got a flex pipe there. Put a resonator on the car to kind of quiet down the drone.
and then
Not that loud.
we put the MDP brackets. I'm sorry, there we go. MDP brackets. The fuel lines are gonna run the feed and the return through there, tucked underneath the car. Really, really
Yep,
nice.
so we got the brackets. We got a -6 and a -8. So I think you can get them in different sizes too.
So what do we go for a fuel filter?
We got a fuel filter. I don't know how to say
Deech
it.
works.
Deech works.
Yeah.
So anyway, so mounted on the bottom of the car.
But you guys see, this whole thing got brand new tow arms, the whole nine, everything's new, new e-brake cables, a Function 7 control arms, ASR subframe with the subframe brace, or ASR sway bar with the subframe brace, new calipers in the rear, zinc fill neck. Shit looks
Even look
killer.
at this, the base plates for the cage. I even got those powder coated. you know?
Titanium hardware looks beautiful.
Detail, baby.
You're changing the exhaust, you said?
Yes, that was just temporary for now. I'm definitely not.
I kind of like the way it looks.
I like the way it looks.
It looks more like an Integra Type R.
But the thing is, I really want a nice exhaust. It's not too droney for this car, so it's very hard to find a 3-inch. I might have to take something off like maybe a FL5 and fab it up for here. Maybe like, I don't know, Mugen or Spoon. I don't know if they make a 3-inch for those cars, but
We'll figure something out.
I really don't want to put a turn down on here. I'm kind of tired of those. So.
Yeah, those have a lot of drone.
Yeah.
So you guys, the plan, this is it pretty much for this car. Are you going to Honda Day? You don't know yet?
I'm not sure if I'm going to Honda Day yet.
You guys see his car still covered up in the air, hasn't been touched since World Cup.
No.
I feel like he's scared to race it because he knows I went 9.1 something and 9.17 in it, so he has to get in there and probably either go faster than that. I feel like he's not as good as a driver as me, so that's why he's not gonna go.
Don't disrespect me like that. You don't disrespect me like that. You know if I came out, I'll bust that ass.
All right, guys, so Jamie will be here soon. There's nothing wrong with my car. I just wanted to put it on a dyno, do a health check. Shout out to 4Piston. They gave me their newest engine combo that's out. That's what my brother is running, and that's what I'm running. We have their 4Piston full engine setup. You can get it from them. If you want to be top tire in the M1 class, that's what I got. And we're gonna get on a dyno here today, make sure everything's good, make sure all the electronics are working how they should. I'll get the dyno footage before the end of this video. Shout out to Jamie. After this next video, we will be at Honda Day. So if you're at Honda Day in Maryland, just stop by, say what's up to us. We'll be there. There's a whole bunch of us going. All right, you guys, I had to get this in this video. We just dropped our brand new hoodies on our website at shopnewenglandmotors.com. These are capsules. Like when I was a kid, you can buy these at a vending machine and they'd have toys in them. So we put an Integra Type R, EG hatch, we got a G80, NSX, R8, S2000, R34 GTR, and a Toyota Supra. And then there's a coin slot on the front, and then we did a vending machine on the back. You guys can go to shopnewenglandmotors.com to check them out. We dropped crew necks, hoodies, and then t-shirts. There's a whole bunch of other stuff on the website, so please check it out. Just want to say I appreciate you guys for the support. It really means a lot. I appreciate you guys that are watching, tuning in with us, and I really appreciate the messages that you guys have been sending me while I haven't been uploading. All right, you guys, before I kick this dyno session off, I get this question asked a lot. If you need any tuning needs, no matter where you are in the country, anywhere, Jamie will remote tune. Just go rent out your local dyno and Jamie will tune your car for you, whatever car you have. If you're local, just hit him up on his Instagram, anywhere. If you guys are wherever, I'll drop his Instagram tag below. Just send him a DM on Instagram and he'll get back to you. I appreciate you guys. If you need anything, make sure to hit him up. He is literally the best. So if you guys need anything, make sure to hit him up. Got the car strapped up on a dyno. Yo, Jamie, it's been a long off season.
I know. Glad to see you with a camera again. You'll be able to document the ass ripping you're gonna get this weekend.
That is so crazy.
That message this morning set it off. We can't share that message to YouTube, but that should set the tone.
What's the goal for the season?
Just like every other time. Fuck everyone up.
I like that.
We'll be good.
So if you guys are at Honda Day, if you guys going to Honda Day, make sure to stop by our pit, say what's up. We're gonna finish. I'm probably only gonna do like 1 or 2 pulls here today, and then should be good to go. How many motor cars you got going? Probably at least 10.
I think this year is probably the most amount of motor cars we're gonna have.
A lot of people built cars this year.
A lot of people build cars, and there's still cars coming.
Yeah, I think between just us, Jose just got a motor car, so I think just us going, I know it's 6. I don't know who else is gonna be there, but that's a decent amount of cars from Connecticut. Yo, Jamie, I know why Ahmed don't want to go to Honda Day.
Why, scared?
You don't want to get that ass busted by us.
You're gonna catch a fake.
Yeah, you are. You don't want the smoke.
Bro, I full time.
Yeah, you don't want the smoke.
If I get in my car, I'm going to O.
That's disrespectful. He thinks going to O. Alright guys, we're gonna make one more hit and then we should be good to go. And again, you guys are watching. I apologize, I haven't really uploaded. Life's just been lifing, so I'm just taking it as it goes. I guess I'll just upload normally, like, I don't know, whenever I have good content, but just please bear with me. I'm gonna upload every now and then and just go from there. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I'm ready for Honda Day. And again, I apologize for the short video. I'm gonna try my best here, but I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you guys at Honda Day.